నోరు మూసుకుని క్లాసులు విను.
Yes, children, good morning. Yes, very good morning. Everyone, keep your video on, Nana. Yes, good morning. Are you all ready for test?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, very good.
Miss, how are you, miss? How are you?
Yes, I'm good, Nana. How are you all? You all had your breakfast? Yes? Very good. Yes, Pregna, sit properly. Havish, Havish, keep your video on. Jashwita, everyone should keep your video on. Yes, Anushri, good morning. Yes. Now, children, everyone, open your TB, page number 14. This is our new block, okay? Tomorrow, I will keep the test for you all, okay? On block 9. Today, you are having another 2 subjects, no? So, be ready. Okay? Havish, okay? Everyone should prepare. Fast. Children, keep your videos on so that I can see you. Yes, Sakshit, are you ready? Yeah. Yes, very good. Jashwita, keep your video on. Aravind, Fatima. Yes, children, see page number 14. What is the name of the block? Can you say? Yes?
Miss, people.
Yeah, block 11. Yeah, very
I will tell volume 2, miss.
Volume 2 only. Where are you, Pregna? What I said? Already volume 2 blocks completed. Yes or no?
Different people.
Yes, different people. Okay. See, Nana, different people. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by different people?
Different farmers, different car drivers, bus drivers, farmers, like that.
Okay. Yeah. Very good, Zainab. Okay, you understood about that. Okay. Yes. Yes, Aniket. What do you mean by different people?
Bank.
Yeah.
Means like bank members, fire stations.
Okay. Okay. According to their occupation, you divided. Very good. Yes, Satvik. Satvik. What do you mean by different people?
Just like doctors.
Okay, like profession or their occupation you are saying. Very good. Now children, everyone open page number 14. Hey Pregna, what you are doing? Open page number 14, Nana. When I am reading, you have to keep your finger there. Okay? See, different people. We all live in different places. Yes or no? Are we living in the same place or different places? Yeah, we are living in different places. Now you see, some people live in cities. Yes? Do you agree with this? Some people live in cities, some in towns, and some in villages. Yes or no? కొంతమంది సిటీస్ లో ఉంటారు, కొంతమంది విలేజెస్ లో, కొంతమంది టౌన్స్ లో ఉంటారు. అవునా కాదా? Yes or no, children? If you take your grandfather or your aunt or your uncle, they may be different from you. Yes, some may live in Hyderabad, some may live in Kakinada, Vizag. Yeah, some people live in different countries also, like America, London, like these all. Yeah, yes. Now you see, and some people live in villages also. The village people also you will see, no, Nana? Yes or no? Yes. In a holidays వస్తే మీ అమ్మమ్మ గారి ఇంటికి ఎలా వెళ్తారా? Yes. Yeah. Some people also live in forest. Yeah. Some people live in forest and in hills also. Hill stations.
will live in forest.
Yeah, you can see the forest people also. Yes or no? When you will go to forest, their security guard. You can. Yes. Some people live in. Yes. Now you see each way. Okay, Pragna. See, each way of living is different. Yes or no, Nana? ఇప్పుడు మనం రాజమండ్రిలో ఉన్నాం. Can we go to Hyderabad directly? Within 1 hour, can we go to Hyderabad?
Hyderabad bridge.
Yes.
So far, miss.
Yeah, so long.
Hyderabad will get 2 hours, miss. Miss, we should go
Yes.
in bus.
If you go in train also, it will become late. Yes or no? Yeah? Yes. Now you see. So we learn what are the different people according to the city. Yeah? Cities లో ఉంటారు కొంతమంది, villages లో ఉంటారు, towns లో ఉంటారు. అలాగే some people live in forest, some people live in hills. Yes or no? Who is this Gautam Krishna? Rename yourself, Nana, everyone. Everyone should rename yourself. Anushvi. Yes. Now you see, Nana, life in a city. In a city, how the people will live. In a city, people mostly live in buildings or flats. Yes or no? Yes or no, Nana? Buildings ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి సిటీస్ లో, అలాగే ఫ్లాట్స్ మీన్స్ అపార్ట్మెంట్. Yes? Do you agree with this? Yeah. They travel from one place to another in buses, cars, motorcycles or auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw is nothing but auto. Okay. Where they will travel? If they want to go to one place to another, they will use the bus. Okay. Car, motorcycle. Motorcycle is nothing but the bike. Yeah. Or auto rickshaw. Yes, now you see, cities have places like restaurants. Do you like restaurant, Nana? If any function will be there, you all will go with your family. మీ ఫాదర్ తీసుకెళ్తారా ఎప్పుడైనా మిమ్మల్ని రెస్టారెంట్ కి? యా, you all will enjoy. And hotels also. Okay. Who like to go to restaurant? Show your thumb. With whom you want to go? Yeah, very good, Hasini. With whom you want to go, Nana? Very good. You all like? Very nice. Yeah. By going there, what you will do, Nana? Where people can eat different kinds of food. You will eat the food. For eating purpose only, you all will go to restaurant. Yes or no? Yes or no, children? Yeah, yes, very good. Zainab, use the chat box, Nana. I unmuted all the participants, okay? With family, you will go. For eating purpose, you all will go and enjoy there with different kinds of food. Yes? How na? మీకు నచ్చిన డిషెస్ అన్ని మీరు ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చుకుంటారు అవునా when you are going to restaurant yes or no nana I want to go but this is corona time yeah yes corona time so your mother is a chef wonderful chef yes or no whatever she will prepare you have to eat you should not say anything to your mother no she will prepare delicious dishes yes మీ మమ్మీ చేసినవన్నీ మీకు నచ్చుతాయా నాన్న yes or no yes and it is safety also మీ మదర్ ఏం చేసినా చాలా సేఫ్టీగా చేస్తారు అవునా if you go to restaurant Nana if you go to restaurant what will happen which food they will prepare we don't know but when your mother will prepare the food it is very delicious for us yes or no yeah and the taste will be superb yeah who like mother's food అమ్మ చేసిన అంటే ఎవరికి ఇష్టం నానా yeah very good do you like your mother's food or restaurant food I want the quick answer which food do you like home food or restaurant food yes Havish which food do you like the most yes Havish mother wow Kartikeya super now you are all saying mother food but if your father will bring one biryani from the restaurant which biryani you will prefer yes everyone should eat the healthy food okay now you see Nana they travel from one place yes they also have markets how na markets will be there shopping malls you know shopping malls yes yeah KLM shopping mall South India shopping mall all these malls you can see in cities and cinema halls also the movie theater yeah where you will see all these in cities yes or no nana in cities you can see the shopping malls markets and cinema halls also people living in cities go to offices yeah where they will go to work for office or factories to work your father will go out and
I like my father because he will buy anything.
okay yeah the number of people in cities is growing leading to more traffic on the roads అవునా నాన్న సిటీస్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ పెరిగిపోతున్నారు దెన్ if it is increasing what will happen the roads will become traffic yes or no near shopping malls if you go out and see full rush due to the festival season అవునా క్రిస్మస్ వస్తోంది న్యూ ఇయర్ వస్తోంది పొంగల్ వస్తోంది షాపింగ్ మాల్స్ అన్ని నిండిపోతున్నాయా
Yes, miss.
with the traffic and all yes or no yeah so what you have to do చూడండి city in India how it will be there I'm showing the picture you see on page number 14 yes okay with tall buildings you can see yes or no nana
Yes, miss.
yes this is nothing but the city life who are staying
Okay,
at city they will live in apartment okay or tall buildings yes yes now open your worksheets everyone everyone should open your worksheets
Volume 2, miss.
yes volume 2 page number 15 volume 2 page number 15 life in cities keep today's date what is today's date nana yes what is today's date 23 23 dash 12 dash 2020. Yes.
Miss, I'm Zainab. Look at my picture. Miss, at Diwali festival, the given worksheet I wrote. Miss, page
Very
number
good, Zainab. Very
Page number-
nice.
Page number
Oh,
15.
very good, Jishita. Yeah, page number 15, Nana. Everyone should open page number 15. 15. Volume 2. Open page number 15. Keep today's date 23-12-2020. Okay. Okay, are you all ready? Are you all ready, Nana? Yes. This one you have to write down. Yes, very good. Yeah, children, see, take the pictures that show city life. See the first one, train. Will you see in city life or not? Cities lo train ni chustara chudra. If yes, you have to tick for that picture. Keep tick for that picture. Second picture you see, Nana? It is agriculture. Will you see it in city? Will you see that in city? No. So don't tick. Third one, shopping mall. Will you see it in cities? Yes or no? Shopping mall. Yes. So keep tick. Fourth picture. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is making a cloth. Can you see that in cities? No. So only 1 and 3 are correct. 2, 4 don't take. Okay. Now you see the second question, Nana. Raman lives on the 10th floor of a building. పక్కన బిల్డింగ్ ని చూస్తున్నారా మీరు? Okay. Raman is a person. He is living on 10th floor. Okay. Describe any two activities of his lifestyle. You have to write any 2 points. If he want to go to any place, how he has to go. If he want to play any game, where he should come, like that. Any 2 activities you have to write of your own. I am giving 2 minutes time for you. Write it, Nana. ఆయన ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వర్క్ చేసుకోవాలి? Suppose if he want to go to office, how he should go? He want to play. Where he should go out and play? You can write of your own. Suppose మీరే 10th ఫ్లోర్ లో ఉన్నారు నాన్న. ఓకేనా? ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? Okay, Tanish. What you will do if you want to buy any vegetables or fruits? If you want to go to office? Very good, Aniket. If you want to go to office, if you want to play, if you want to go to any cousin house, how you will go, where you will go, what are the things that you will do? Yes. Write down. Write any 2 points of your own. మీ ఇష్టం ఏదైనా రాయండి. 2 points I want. Who completed Shoya? Come to me. Jashwita, are you writing? Write down. Completed. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Aradhya. Satvik, very good. Aniket, very good. Havish, are you writing? Sakshit completed? Yes. See the third question, Nana. Farah family is moving to a city. Farah family is there and they are moving to a city. Why do you think they are moving? ఎందుకు మూవ్ అవ్వాలనుకున్నాను నాన్న? సపోజ్ యు ఆర్ ఆల్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ ఏ విలేజ్. మీ ఫ్యామిలీతో విలేజ్ లో ఉన్నారు. యు ఆర్ మూవింగ్ టు ఏ సిటీ. వై ఆర్ మూవింగ్ టు ఏ సిటీ? ఎస్. Shall I give a clue for you? Or you will write of your own? Shall I give a clue for you? Due to education purpose. Yes or no? Education కోసం మీరందరూ బాగా చదువుకోవాలా? If you read in village, what will happen? Can you go to school in a village? Yes, of course. But you see, Nana, మనకు సిటీలో ఉన్నన్ని ఫెసిలిటీస్ విలేజ్ లో ఉంటాయా? No. So, for education purpose, okay, to earn more income. మీ డాడీకి చాలా మంచి జాబ్ వచ్చిందనుకో, మిమ్మల్ని మంచి స్కూల్స్ లో జాయిన్ చేశారు. అవునా? You are all coming to Strawberry. Yes or no? You are all Strawberryans. Yes? Yeah. Due to education purpose or to earn more money, and you are having so much facilities. Yes or no, Nana? Here so many markets are there, so many shopping malls will be there. All these you can see only in cities. Yes? You can write any two, Nana. Any 2 points you can write. Completed? Those who completed, show your thumb to me. Digital thumb to me. Very good, Aniket. Very good, Zainab. Aradhya, very good. Kartikeya, very good. CH Satvik, are you writing? Pragnya, are you writing? Meghna, keep your video on, Nana. Yes. Those who completed, everyone should open page number 10 from your worksheet. This is of today's class. Let us discuss about the revision, Nana. Okay. Everyone open page number 10 from your worksheet. Let us revise this block also. Okay. Yes, Pragna, very good. See, Nana, look at the pictures and write the names of the festival in the boxes. First, which festival you are all seeing? Which festival you are all seeing, Nana?
Diwali.
Very good. Second picture?
Christmas.
Very good. What do Diwali and Christmas remind you of? Diwali.
Diwali
Yeah, you can wear the new dresses. You can buy the crackers. In which month you will celebrate Diwali? Very good. Either October or November. Yes. When you will celebrate when you will celebrate the Christmas? Yeah, December. Which day? Yeah, very good. December 25th. On whose birthday we are celebrating Christmas? Yes,
Santa birthday.
Santa birthday. Yes. Yeah. Now, children, what are the special things that you will do on Diwali and Christmas?
Can I tell?
Yes, you can.
Miss, I will burn crackers
Mm.
and buy new clothes.
Okay.
I will enjoy Diwali day
With whom you will enjoy?
with my family.
Very good. Yes, Aradhya, superb answer, Nana. Very good. You
Miss,
will buy the
I have two brothers, miss. I will celebrate with two brothers.
Yes, Akshara, how you will enjoy the Christmas?
Miss Pragna, Miss, we go to temple, we celebrate Christmas tree, we got gifts.
On Christmas Day, where you will go to temple or church?
Church. It's to both. To both. Church. Temple and church. We will go. Temple and church.
Very good.
Miss, can I tell me?
I will ask the question. By using the chat box, you have to say the answer. Okay? Okay, children? Because so much disturbance is coming from you all. Okay? Okay. Who celebrate Eid? Who will celebrate Eid? Eid. Yeah? Very good, Akshara. Yes, Muslims will celebrate Eid. Fatima, what you are doing? Very good, Havish. Very good, Hasini. Now, who will celebrate Guru Purab, Nana? Who will celebrate Guru Purab? Very good, sick people. Okay, don't write S-I-C-K. S-I-K-H. Okay? Not S-I-K-S. S-I-K-H-S. Okay. Say again, everyone. S-I-K-H-S. Okay, Nana? Yes. In which month do we celebrate Eid festival? In which month? Diwali, yeah? What you are saying, Sakshit? In which month do we celebrate Eid? April. Wow, super. Very good. Give a digital clap for Akshara. Everyone. Aniket also. Yes, very good. Yeah. In which month do we celebrate Gurpurab? Gurpurab. In which month? Yeah. In which month do we celebrate? Very good. November. Yes. Okay. Where do we go to pray? Eid. Muslims generally where they will go, Nana? Jashwita, very good. Yeah. Where you will go and pray, Nana? Muslims where they will go? Pregna. Oh, wrong. Yes, mosque. Very good. Or masjid. Okay. And Gurpurab, where they will go? Sick people, where they will go and pray? Tanish, answer to my question. Where they will go and pray, Nana? Gurudwar, very good. Okay, now we discussed about Diwali, Christmas, Eid and Gurupurab. What are these festivals called? What are these festivals called? Which festivals these are, Nana? National festivals. No. Very good, Tanish. Religious festivals. Superb. These are religious festivals. Okay. Very good. Apena. Okay, 5 minutes. Yes. Now, what are harvest festivals? Can you say? Which festivals you will call as harvest festivals, Nana? Very good. Yes. Okay, Satvik. Convey my wishes to your mother. Pongal. Very good. Pongal. Only Pongal you are calling it as harvest festival? Still? Bihu. Wow, superb. Yes. In which month Bihu festival will be celebrated? In which month it will be celebrated? April. Very good. Pongal? Pongal. January. Superb. So now what are our national festivals, Nana? Name some national festivals of India. Yes. Independence Day. Very good, Havish. Give a digital clap for Havish. Ishwari also. Give a digital clap. Republic Day, Independence Day and Eid is national festival. Zaina. Yes. Very good. Very good, Hasini. Very good. Again, Gandhi Jayanti. So these are 3 national festivals of India. Very good. So you have to draw the picture also. Okay? Children, today your work is you have to complete S1 and you have to read block 9 and 10 also. Okay? Prepare. Yes, okay, children? Are you having any doubts?
No, miss. No, miss.
Clear? Very good. Yes.
We should after class.
No need to rejoin. Yeah, Merry Christmas, Nana. Merry Christmas to you.
Christmas, Miss.
Yes, very good. Merry Christmas to you all.
The Christmas I will go night outside, Miss.
Very good. Enjoy.
At Christmas Day, Friday, I will go to.
Okay, you are Jashwita. Where you are going, Jashwita? Merry Christmas to you all, Nana. Okay, enjoy.
Miss, I'm saying November 4th, I will go out, Miss.
Okay, okay, my
Decorate with the lightings, Miss.
Can I say why Independence Day and Republic Day? Miss, can I say why Independence Day and Republic Day is national festival?
Yeah.
Because in Republic Day we
Miss, in Christmas Day, I'm singing song, Miss.
Okay,
because Indian Janta
Jashwita.
is national festival.
Merry Christmas.
Indian Janta.
Okay. Okay, children, bye.
Christmas Day, I will sing a song.
Okay, Jashwita, all the best. Sing nicely, okay? Bye bye.
Have a nice day, Miss.
Have a nice day.
Have a
Bye,
nice
children.
day, Miss.